So, three-step capacity audit that you can finish today, right? Because capacity for your organization or enterprise is not just about the passion. It's not as complicated as you think. It's really about math, right? You cannot measure, if you can't measure it, you can't scale it. Okay, so there was a study by Bridgespan that found that 68% of stalled nonprofits actually skipped any form of capacity review before attempting to scale their programming, right? So the one concept I'm going to talk about today is the C part of the scale up framework, capacity, right? Because most nonprofit founders and leaders, they are flying blind, whether you like it or not, when it comes to their capacity. They may be feeling overwhelmed, but can't pinpoint where the bottlenecks are, and that's where the problem lies. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple data-driven three-step audit in under 60 minutes. Okay, so step one, I want you to think about the people. Are your roles functional or are they fuzzy? Right? I want you to write down all the core roles in your organization, from executive director to program lead to admin, etc. Right? You're going to score each of them on three things. You're going to score them on clarity, on competence, and capacity. Now, on clarity, you're going to score the scale is going to be from 1 to 5. Five being like it's good, right? So does the person know their scope of work, right? Clarity. If they know what their job is, you put a 5. If they don't know, put a 1. Competence. Are they competent enough to do this job? Sometimes we hire people that don't know what they're doing, right? So are they trained and equipped? So 1 for they don't know, 5 for they're competent. Now, capacity, meaning are they overextended? That is something that you need to know, right? So any role that's averaging under 3 needs attention. And step 2, I want you to think about process. Are your systems replicable or reactive? Now you're going to pick 5 essential workflows: onboarding, payroll, donor updates, reporting, and event planning. Now, what I want you to do with this, each ask, I want you to like jot down, is it documented? Right? Yes or no. Is it consistently followed? Yes or no. Is it producing consistent result? Does it produce consistent result? Yes or no. Now, red flags, you're gonna red flag any process that gets 1 or 2 yeses. Okay. If you have a process that gets a yes, you're going to red flag it because that's really important. Now, step 3, I want you to look at the performance and if your numbers are telling you the truth. Okay, you're going to pull the last 90 days of data on cash on hand, program attendance or completion rate, donor retention, and I want you to flag anything that's dropped below 80% of your internal targets. Now, why? Because you need to make sure that it's efficient, okay? So you're gonna take your findings and color code them. So green are what's healthy and reliable. Yellow is it needs monitoring and minor fixes. And red, it needs like immediate intervention, right? So this matters because nonprofits and enterprises that skip this particular step of reviewing their capacity, they start making decisions based on emotion instead of information. That's what leads to burnout, mishires, and misfunding. So I definitely want you to apply for the free 15-day, not 15-day, 15-minute, not 15-day, it ain't 15-day, 15-minute mini audit for your operations system. Okay, and definitely book a precision strategy call if your nonprofit definitely is ready to get clear direction on what it needs to do, because we're going to interpret your results together and plan your next move. So I'll see you soon. Don't forget to apply for the free mini audit. Bye, y'all.